Here is my response to this question. This question is about a mixture. So it is better to organize the data in a table. So I'm going to draw a table and organize the data. So the table is going to be here. That table I'm going to let me see how I should do it. Let me try it. Anyway, I'm going to make the table this part, and I will have another one because there is a mixture problem, and I will have 3 columns because there are 3 different dyes. So I'm going to use, these are the 3 columns. Yeah, I think it's going to work. And let me choose here now the top we are talking about the yellow dye. So on top the yellow dye portion of the yellow dye in different mixture. The first dye is orange dye, which is made by using 3 parts of red dye and 2 parts of yellow dye. So the portion of the yellow dye in all 3 different. So this one is orange. So to make the orange dye, what they have 3 parts of red dye and 2 parts of yellow. We are interested only the yellow portion, the yellow part, because the question is asking in the mixture what portion of the yellow dye in the new mixture. So I'm only interested to find out the yellow part. So yellow dye portion in orange dye, as per the question given here, it says we have 2 parts of the yellow dye in total 5 parts, because 3 plus 2 is 5 part, 2 part is the yellow. Likewise, the other dye is to make a green dye. 2 parts of the blue dye are mixed with 1 part of yellow dye. So this one is green. So if I have green dye, so green dye, and in this one there is 1 part of yellow, 1 part of yellow and 2 parts of blue. So that means 1/3. Now the last one is I'm trying to mix these two. That is what they are saying. If the equal amount of green and orange, this and this are mixed, what is the portion of the yellow dye in the new mixture? So here is my new mixture. So this is, I'm going to write new mixture. Now remember they are saying half and half. So I'm taking half of the when you mix this, you're taking half of the new mixture and you're taking the equal amount. So half of the this is going to be 1/5, and likewise when you're doing half of the other one, because it is half and half, so when you're doing 1/3, that gives me 1/6. So the yellow portion in the new mixture is 1/5 and 1/6. So the total yellow dye, the portion, obviously the yellow portion is going to be 1/5 plus 1/6. And if you take the common denominator and all those things, which is 30, so that gives me 6 plus 5, and that is equal to 11 over 30. So the new mixture will have the total yellow dye content, it will be 11 over 30, and the answer is going to be C. That is the best way to organize the data and find the answer. As usual, I have the typed response for someone to follow later. So I'm going to show you the typed answer, which is not in the form of a table, but it is as we can bring it up here. Yeah, here is the answer. So you can see the answer and the question, but it is not in the form of the table. So the answer is this. In here I said let X be the new dye mixture. So half of X has 2/5 of the yellow dye, which is X over 5, and that means 1 over 5 is the yellow part of the orange dye in the new mixture. And likewise half of the X, which is the new mixture, has 1/3, which is X over 6, which implies that 1/6 is the yellow part of the green dye in the new mixture. Therefore the total of the yellow part in the new mixture is 1/5 plus 1/6 equal 11 over 30. I hope you understand the question and the explanation given.